It is Thursday morning and there's a crap ton of people over here. We slept in the parking lot, Pinkham Notch, and dude, I slept hard, really hard. We probably won't hit the trail until 10 o'clock because it's 9:15 right now. Probably take me that long just to figure everything out. But we're finally here, back in New Hampshire, in the White Mountains. It's been about 15 years since I've been here. So, got some nice color. All right, about 10:15, so we're starting late. The boys are pretty eager to hit the trail. They are now anyway. They haven't eaten anything, so that's not good. They'll be wanting snacks and stopping all along. So we're at Pinkham Notch, and this is the far end of the parking lot, primarily because this is where our hike is going to start. U.S. Forest Service, AMC, Old Jackson Road is what we're going to start on. The goal is to do the whole thing, to do the traverse. I mean, if it were me, I could do it. I just don't know what the weather is going to be like. And I should have anticipated what the wind chill's like, because I know what this place is supposed to be about. Even though it's been 15 years since I've been here. So, and keeping the boys warm and watered are my biggest things. I got a half a liter of water in their packs. They'll drink that up the first stop. So, and they all have their jackets. So the jackets will keep them warm. Probably have them sleep in them if it's actually going to be in the, it says in the upper 30s. So it's going to be pretty cold at night. And I only brought my 30-degree sleeping bag, so I should have brought my 15. So yeah, that was a major mistake. Didn't anticipate that. Well, I didn't anticipate the wind chill, which I should have. But it is what it is. I've got my raincoat, so that's a vapor barrier. All right. Nice little spot. Whew. Not quite a mile in, I'm huffing and puffing. I'm doing about 1 mile per hour pace, if that. This is kicking my ass. I think this is worse than, still where you at, Jax? I think this is worse than Idaho. Here in New England, they just run you straight up the mountain. No switchbacks. No, nice way to make the trip easier. Just straight up. Let's work for us. So, yeah. Heading up. Hi, Jax. Heading up this way. Okay. About a mile in. And the worst thing about New England is the rocks. About a quarter mile back, I cranked my ankle hard. Like real hard. I can feel it swelling. I can feel the inside of my ankle hurt too. It went to the right side, and I can feel the whip back on the left side of my ankle. So yeah, I'm limping a little bit. But yeah, I mean, you gotta watch where you're going over here. These rocks are just horrible. It's not like I've been here before, or haven't been here before, but I mean, Vermont last year and back to New Hampshire after 15 years, but whew, yeah, my ankle, oh shit, that hurts. You just gotta watch where I'm walking. It's not bad here, but where I was at. Man, that hurt. This is gonna be rough. All right, we finally hit the auto road. And to hook the boys up. This makes sense. It's going the right way. Madison Golf Trail is what we want. Watch out, boys. Come on. Come on, Jackson. Come on. Hold up, Corey. You're going too far. Come on. I've got to unleash you. Okay. Okay. Well, we came up the Madison Golf Trail, the Appalachian Trail, Old Jackson Road, and a great golf trail. Mount Washington is this way. A pretty good sized waterfall. I'm hoping there's a bridge. So, let's look. How do we want to do this? I think rather than taking the Osgood, see, that's going to take us right up there. We need to go up there. Oh, we can hit Madison. Alright, well, yeah, we need to stay on trail. Good boy. Don't push past him, Jack. Let him go at his own pace. Let him go at his own pace. You're good, Corey. You're good, buddy. Very good. Yes, yes. You guys are doing great. Made it. Woohoo! Corey was afraid because the bridge kind of shakes a little bit. A little shaky, wasn't it, buddy? Yeah, good job. You guys did great. We are on the Osgood Trail, which is going to take us to the top of Madison. And let me let me tell you, this is going to be a couple thousand feet up, and it's going to be a pain in the ass. The thing is, though, this is the big day to get the altitude. Let's get to the top. Once we get up to the ridge, I don't think it's going to be any more than a gain or loss of 1,000 feet. I think. Gotta look at the map a little bit better. But this is the long, hard 2 miles till we break the alpine line. So we'll break the tree line. Probably gonna take us 2 hours to hike this. So I'm not moving real well. My ankle hurts. Got a lot of weight, and it's a steep uphill. So get a little bit of view. Still been green tunnel. Once we break another, I don't know, 1,000 feet. But yeah, this is the hard part right here, going up. So once we got this done, hopefully it'll be gravy. But I'm hurting my ankle, man. I can't believe I stop, boys, right there. Stay, quiet, stay. I can't believe I cranked my ankle the first mile in. It just hurts so bad, which makes this even harder, especially with 42 pounds to carry. So, all right. Haven't been filming much because, to be honest, there hasn't been much to see other than a few waterfalls and the bridge. So, Corey, stay. Yeah, he wants to see what I'm doing, and all I'm doing is talking. So, all right. All right. Well, we made it to the main trail. Madison Hut is 3 miles. Mount Madison is 2.5, so it's almost 3 o'clock, so we're not going to make it up top till almost 6. I'm going to be ready to rack out then, because I think that's as far as we're going to make it. We're 5 miles in, now plus 8 miles in. It's about 2 and some change less than what I would like. Oh man, this is killing me. We're almost there, almost top of Mount Madison. Then we got to get to the shelter. Yeah, we're gonna be about 2 or 3 miles short of where we wanted today, but we kind of got our butts kicked. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, huh, Corey? Yeah, this is one hell of a climb. Steep up, and we're running out of daylight, so we gotta kick up. We've got about another 40 minutes, so hopefully we'll peek out somewhere up here and then hit the shelter. Bye, Jax. All right, you can see the boys. That is Mount Washington. Not sure which mountains these are. That is Madison, and we didn't make it. Our goal was to actually be over there. I think there's a hut or something over there. At minimum, I wanted to be on the other side of that. That did not happen. And all this thick rock in through here, this is just dangerous for the dogs. You know, this is my fault. I thought the dogs could handle it, and coming through here, I'm like, you know, this is dangerous. I don't need a dog breaking a leg or getting injured, especially Jax, because he's older and he's heavier, and there's no way that I'm going to be able to drag Jax back down the mountain from up here. We'd have to get a helicopter, and it's pretty breezy. I mean, it's beautiful in through here, and I would have loved to have done this whole traverse. I mean, up to Washington and over. I think I could have done it by myself. If I was by myself, or maybe even with just Courtright, we probably could have done it. It would have taken a while. We probably would have had the bug out at Washington, I think. Yeah, New Hampshire, you've kicked my ass yet again. Last time I was here was about 15 years ago, and similar kind of thing happened. I was trying to make it to the top of Washington and only made it to the hut. There's a ski hut if you go up Tuckerman Ravine. So yeah, I don't know how thanks, Jax. I don't know how Syntax does it, because this is just a beast. These trails are brutal. I would take doing a western trip, just like my Sawtooth trip, any day of the week over this, because this is a make or break it. I mean, you look at these rocks. I mean, this is the AT. We camped literally right on top of the AT, and this is just brutal. Yeah, this has got to be the worst part of the AT, the hardest part. Anyway.